Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Webull paper trading. Paper trading lets you practice in a simulated market with virtual funds so you can build confidence without risking real money. We'll walk through opening the desktop app, making sure the paper trading panel is visible, and turning on relative volume to help you spot active stocks. Start by opening the Webull desktop application. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you haven't used it recently, it helps to be on the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once the platform is open, look to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation area. If you see paper trading listed in that left navigation, click it. This opens the paper trading workspace where you'll typically find your virtual buying power, any open positions, an order panel, and charts. Everything you do here uses simulated funds, so nothing will affect a live account. If paper trading isn't visible in the left navigation, go to the top of the platform and select All Layouts. This opens the layout library, which is where you can add missing modules to your sidebar. In the list, locate paper trading and click the plus icon next to it. That action pins paper trading to the left navigation, so it's always just a click away during future sessions. Once you've added it, close the layout window to return to the main workspace. Now in the left navigation, click paper trading to open the full panel. Take a moment to get oriented. You should see your simulated buying power, a watch list or chart area, and an order ticket. The layout may vary slightly depending on your theme and prior customizations, but the core tools will be there. Before you start exploring symbols, turn on relative volume. Relative volume compares current trading volume to a stock's typical volume, making it easier to spot unusual activity. Within the paper trading layout, open your chart or watch list settings and enable relative volume. On a chart, it may appear as an indicator. On a watch list, it may show as a column. Higher values mean a stock is trading more actively than usual. A reading above 1 indicates above average volume, and larger numbers can signal stronger interest. This context helps you prioritize symbols that are actually moving. That's it. You've opened Webull Desktop, made sure paper trading is in your left navigation, launched the paper trading workspace, and enabled relative volume to guide your practice. Use this space to rehearse entries and exits, explore order types, and review outcomes. Then apply what you learn with greater confidence.